Hey everyone, Art McDermott here, Successful Aging Academy. Back today, we're going to talk very briefly about nutrition in today's post. And I have a recommendation for you, a book club. I'm not Oprah here, but this is good stuff. Today's book, and you can see I've got notes in here. I've referred to this book a lot. It's called In Defense of Food from Michael Pollan. This has seen some better days. I use this one a lot, and I promise you that if you read this book, you will think about your food differently. Right? And that's a good thing, because most of us don't think about it. We just mindlessly eat the same stuff, cooked the same way, in the same amount every day for months and years and on and on and on, right? Even when we see that's kind of causing us trouble, right? So I strongly recommend you spend some time reading this book. And what it's going to do, it's going to change how you approach food. Here's my recommendations that I tell to people, because people don't spend enough time thinking about food. They always say, oh, I'm in too much of a hurry, I just grab something on the go, and they wonder why they're in trouble, right, with their weight. They can't get the weight off. You need to pick, here's a simple solution, pick 2 days per week that you're going to cook a bunch of food. I always recommend that people do Sunday evening and Wednesday evening. And that way it's planned, like make an appointment with yourself. And you can't miss that appointment. It's like going to the doctor. You can't miss it, right? It's part of what you do. So, and it won't take long, by the way, before that's a habit that you actually look forward to. It's fun. What am I going to cook tonight? You know, and your fridge in between cooking days should look like Tupperware, Tupperware, Tupperware. All right? So you're never caught without the right foods in the house. That's, in my experience, the number one problem people have is they don't plan ahead. They don't do the cooking thing, and they find that in an emergency, meaning they've gone 6 hours without eating, and what happens is you're going to eat the first thing you get your hands on, and that's usually not good. But if you plan ahead and have food in the fridge already cooked and waiting for you, you can make a better decision in same amount of time. All right? So, and remember, keep in mind, don't forget this, nutrition is 70% of your progress. Right? It's easy for me to say, hey, just do my routine, my program for workouts, and you'll lose all the weight. Well, excuse me, anyone who says that to you is lying. All right, sorry, I'm a fitness guy, but it's not all about the workouts. They're great, but it's not everything. 70% of your results in nutrition. So doesn't that mean that you, by default, you need to spend some time thinking about that? All right, most people don't. Try to incorporate that into your week. So think about Wednesday night. Pick a couple nights that work for you. Do the cooking thing, and you'll enjoy it, and it's going to pay off big time. All right. Nutrition, 70% of your results. Good luck. We'll talk to you soon.